Kehenyo Trip Youth Council haganok pai sengi jong ka sau terik uyayong arajar arapusan kalalit bansai yu Dr. Nalin Mehta ubadeu director ke North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science NEIGRIHMS naga Kamra traikam jong kini ke jinglet sei ke HYC kade hadin balakino ba uteu director shimla Jubab syakaseng Halor ki mat Jingdawa ya ki bakaseng kalampu haga arpusau terik uluber arajar arapusan ki mat Jingdawa ki kintup pan pensyai ke jingkot tep kam ke NEIGRIHMS kabalong klem da perkat lang ki samla trai muluk ke HYC kalaong bakate ke jingkot tongkam kalong persya ya ke schedule tribe reservation policy ha kabana ki shispa nyongut ki kam nursing officer labha tang arsit na kabenta ki schedule tribe nolor ki wei pat ki man Labu por hanyosngi yu Dr. Nalin Mehta baun Jubab Henry ke jingbam yo Jubab hado kini kisngi kala penlong ya ka seng bakan lektor se NEIGRIHMS Hospital bat ban sei sendon yu director napo ke Kamra traikam jong Hadin kani Dr. Nalin Mehta ulami bat yakren bat presiden jong ka seng HYC uba roy kupar senrem ha ka ba uba roy ulakinno bagan NEIGRIHMS kam Jubab syakaseng kum baladawa
Mabangi kerana kapajajai makam. Omdei bayu. Ngomri. Kasih apa tak kasih? Sekarang ini kerana kapor puram yang ni. Andai panggil mana kapor? Andai macam ni yang tu mah. Pat tu kita. What dia perpau tu? What dia perpau mah? Pandai di pat baru.
We give you a letter on the 24th. I've counted only the working days, not the holidays. And it has already ended yesterday. Because the letters are ready, they just go through the
You should
second
have
and have to
just
be
tell
printed.
us. You should have just tell us. See, this is a problem. We'll give you a reply.
you
But
had-
you are stopped. You didn't even communicate anything.
The
You came on
process
that.
is in file. You realize
You could have seen us the matter. If you want to, you can do a lot of things. If you want. But since
we have complied, we will give you the
we
letter.
don't know no, whether you have complied or not. Till today, when we come to your office, you told us that it is complied. We didn't even see the
If
letter.
I had any communication, because we thought we are complying, we will give the letters to you. We were
Yeah, but
totally
then
in
the 7
compliance.
days has already ended. No?
But out of
So
them,
we
there were
have-
3 holidays, Mr. Roy.
I counted the working days, I said. 24th,
But
25th,
at least cut me
26th.
some slack. It's not that we are not willing to cooperate.
Okay, give me the letter. Show
Just
me.
hang on.
Show me. Show me the
Preparing
letter.
the letter. In fact, right now they are also not here. Office staff is outside.
Who? You need the person who you can take them
the
inside.
general admin.
Take them inside. 2-3
You
persons.
want
in
me
there.
to show you the e-file on where it has been approved? That I can show you to come to my office.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Just give me the letter. See, you give us a letter, you already complied.
Okay.
And the issue ends.
The letters now just have to be printed. Is it okay if we give it to you either late evening?
No, now we'll be here.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.